how to switch your Aula F75 to Windows mode. So in general, the keyboard itself is somewhat a tri-mode keyboard, so it gives you your Bluetooth, your 2.4, and also a wired option. Now, with that in mind, it supports both Mac and Windows layouts, so you can go ahead and switch those modes if you'd like. Now, in general, if you go ahead and just directly plug it into your PC using its provided wire or any kind of wire that is connected to your keyboard or to your PC, like a Type-C, so you connect your USB plug into the PC port or your whatever device, and then the Type-C into directly of the Type-C port of your keyboard. So basically over here on the Type-C. Now with that in mind, once you go ahead and do a little connection through your keyboard to your PC, either Bluetooth or 2.4 or wired, it should just automatically detect that you are on Windows mode. But if not, you could go ahead and always try pressing on these specific keys on your keyboard. Now, it's a little blurry right now, but all you have to do is on your Aula F75, you can switch to Windows mode by pressing on FN, which is this over here, or navigate to your FN button, which it should be this one, and then press on A at the same time. So FN and then A. But if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and take a look at your manual, since it can pretty much depend on what keyboard you're using. Now, if there is a Windows mode, it will be shown in the manual and you can go ahead and follow that. But those are a few things you can keep in mind if you want to go ahead and do this mode on your keyboard. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.